everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make, oops, I forgot the bottle. Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make some LCD cleaner for your devices. So you can use it on your computer screen or your phones. And you're going to basically take some alcohol and some distilled water. And you're just going to do half and half. So you'll put half of the alcohol. Okay, looks about half, and then you're going to put half of the water. All right, oh, see, oh, so close. Okay, then you're going to put that in there, make any messes. Okay, you just kind of toss this around. And then you'll be able to spray this safely on your screens and devices to get them all cleaned up. So I went and got my label maker. You can use a label maker, print out what you want to label it as. So anyway, I hope that was helpful, and you can use this all the time. All right, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.